Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 20th April 2022. In the international market, rising inflation and tighter monetary policies are the culprits for rising US bond yields. US 10-year has now reached 2.95%, shying just away from 3% mark. 3% will be a difficult target to breach. There will be stop losses which would trigger from current 295 levels when it tried to cross 3%. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $107.80 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 107 to 110. In the currency market, dollar index is at 100.88. Today's range 100.78 to 101.11. USD CNY or Chinese yuan at 640. I repeat, USD CNY is at 640, which was trading at 634-636 range. Along with that, USD INR with a low of 76.55 closed at 76.52 near day's low. Resistance at 76.30 and support at 76.74 does exist. Trading strategy from USD INR bang on once again. Night research was bearish for the last 2 weeks for USD INR, and finally USD INR has touched 76.50. We have booked a huge profit in the currency for last 2 weeks. Now we expect the USD INR to consolidate around this region for some time and then take the cues from here. In the domestic market, rumors in the market saying RBI is not comfortable with the current yield levels has calmed the markets for now. The RBI's discomfort was seen in Friday's 10-year auctions as well, where RBI devolved rupees 1,553 crores on PDs at 724 level cutoff. But at the same time, the wisdom says RBI can't back out from the borrowing plans for India's growth. Inflation is still going to continue and is going to be a biggest culprit for India this year. Hence, borrowing cost will increase, and that is for sure. Just the pace of increase needs to be controlled. 563 2026 closed at 640 versus 42, a 2 basis points increase. 654 2032, the 10-year benchmark is at 715 versus 715, almost unchanged. And 667 2035 closed at 734 versus 737. Some recovery in the short squeeze or the short bets. Trading range for 654 2032, 716 to 719. The market to open weaker today due to the cues from the US market, where the yields have touched 295 percentage points. Night research advice, we had rightly identified 725 level as the immediate cap, and it worked out in our favor. Many of the clients booked profits when on Monday there was a sell-off from pre-Ds near 725 levels, and since then they have been enjoying the ride till yesterday. We have asked our clients to book profits and close their positions yesterday itself. Please note that the Night Research is conducting a treasury session, a treasury webinar, Debt Ki Dunia Series Part 2 for FY23 Outlook today. So do join to understand the path for treasury yields today. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode from Night Snippets.